Hey guys, this is Steven Bonzel, and this is my bike check. I have the MIRRACO Bronson model 2011, and I guess let's get started with the grips. I have the Animal Edwin grips with animal bar ends. I have Primo Sasquatch bars, 8.5 rise, tapered in the middle. I have a Black Label stem, Shadow Conspiracy hollowed out stem bolts. I have a Snafu headset. Come down here. I have the Black Label full chromoly tapered forks. I have a Black Label hub laced to a Black Label rim. I ride a Maxxis 2.1 front and back, Maxxis grifter. MIRRACO Bronson frame. Alright, let's come down here. I have an amber seat with, I'm not sure what kind of integrated seat clamp bolt that is, but yeah. I have a Bully Bikes 25 tooth sprocket, mechanic half link chain with hollowed out pins. Try and get this to focus. That's as good as it's gonna get. I have Primo stance pedals. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. I have a 3-piece vise crank set, 175mm. I have a Alienation Black Sheep rim laced to a Black Label hub. I'll show you the straight over here. Let's see. Let's come over here. I ride a tree peg in the back and in the front. I have the Stolen Revolver bottom bracket. And that's about it right now. So, see you guys later.